Hey everyone, super excited you're here, and you are here because you are interested in learning about our new product launch for growing organic edible gardening on a wall. So before I get started, quick backstory. One thing I've always been intimidated by is growing my own food, and organic at that. And that is really embarrassing to admit, since I do have my own garden business where I design and build living walls for people. But doing edible gardening has always been something that's been intimidating. So that's one reason why I'm really excited to be introducing this, because if I can do it, anybody can do it. So let me give you a little bit about why are we doing this. And you know what we found is that we were out there installing our own living walls in people's homes and businesses. I started getting requests to grow organic gardens on the walls, and they thought, God, I've got this beautiful wall, why can't I do it with organic food as well? And I took on the challenge because I love a challenge, and we started doing a little bit of back research, and what we found was that the solutions that are out there in the marketplace, there's Hydroponics Indoors, and that is anything but beautiful. If you probably know if you have one or if you've seen them. And the problem with those is oftentimes they are not organic. And if they are organic, it's a lot of maintenance and it's not easy to keep them that way. So that's a problem for people. The other thing is that they grow their own, they create their own organic garden on a wall, and it's just not sustainable. So a lot of reasons for that. The soil's not right, the watering system's not set up correctly, the seedlings are not healthy. Oftentimes you'll buy seedlings at a nursery and they are past their prime and they're not ready to be planted, or they're past ready to be planted. And so what happens is maybe you get good growth for about a month, and then they're not good anymore, and you fail. And no one likes to feel like a failure. Trust me, I know, because I've done that. And so what we've done is something really unique and novel here. So we've created, I partnered up with Grow It Organically, which is Steve Masley and Pat Brown. He's been doing this for about 30 years and super knowledgeable. And what we've been doing is testing hundreds of varieties of different seedlings and different wall systems. And what we've put together is kind of the best of all of that. And so, you know, it starts first with the soil nutrients that we've put together. So it is truly organic, where we've got a proprietary soil blend that is recirculating into the system with the water recirculating system. So as those nutrients are leached through the system, it goes back and recirculates back into the irrigation system, which is really, really key. You're not losing of that important value. The other is seedling health. So we actually are sourcing heirloom, really unique, hard to find seedlings, and testing those and making sure we're picking the ones that work best on a vertical wall. And we're doing that by season, so that you're getting the right seedling health for the right time of year. And what's really exciting about that is this is unique food. You're not going to find this in your grocery. You're definitely not going to find this in your organic grocery store, but you're probably not going to find it in your farmer's market either. And best off, it's a beautiful wall that you are actually harvesting on a daily basis. This is something I do today. For 3 months, I've been harvesting this wall right here, and I feed my family salads from it every night, which is exciting. So we've got a lot of different things that we're growing on our walls. We've got microgreens, we've got all sorts of lettuce varieties, all sorts of herbs, edible flowers. So you're just smorgasbord of beautiful food and beautiful looking. So if you are interested and you want to learn more, go ahead, scroll down, and my next video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to order and what the beta components are like in terms of what we're doing. And we're really looking for early adopters that are passionate about organic food and passionate about gardening and want to be part of this story with us.